This is the next episode of the GMC Sonoma. What I'm going to show you here is the installment of some gas struts for the hood, which will then disable the necessity of use the prop rod. Pretty sweet. So the prop rod, the one sitting over here, you don't have to use that anymore. As you can see, I also gained a little bit of additional height of installing these gas struts. One over here, one over there. They're about 200 Newton meters of force, which is more than enough. I think I could even use some less, but yeah, around here it keeps it level. And then it just wants to go up. So what I do onto the brackets, or actually the hinges, I installed some brackets, the gas strut, and then with aluminum angle I installed it onto this lip. I used some washers here to make it level or flush. Yeah, there's still a little bit of flex in there. It's hard to see, but there is still some. Nothing major I'm worrying about at this moment. So yeah, it's not that much. I had to do some finagling because of the coolant reservoir bottle tank. This part, when it's actually compressing, it wanted to press on top of the cap, which is of course not good. So I raised this up a little bit, so now it's just barely clearing, but it's clearing. And the same actually happened on this side, where the reservoir was touching the washer fluid reservoir. So how does it look on the inside?
Yeah, baby, yeah!
That's how it's supposed to be. Good. Yeah, I consider that a pass. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like if you want to, subscribe if you like to, and see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Toodaloo.